AP4.0 CoPilot Application Processor. The AP4.0 CoPilot Application Processor, commonly referred to as the AP4.0, is a quad-core low-power computer, designed for process-intensive tasks with integrated RJG Lynx technology. The AP4.0 case is constructed of cast metal, and a single 24-volt DC power supply cable provides the AP4.0 and the integrated Lynx sensor interface, with 24 volts of DC power. CoPilot software is pre-installed on the AP4.0 and receives data from the Lynx sensor interface ports, which are connected to Lynx hardware on the injection molding machine. In addition to the two Lynx ports and the 24-volt DC power port, the AP4.0 unit contains the following connections and ports: an auxiliary port, a DP++ port, 3 USB 3.0 ports, the hub networking port, and an industrial Ethernet port. Lynx devices, such as the ID7MSEQ Lynx sequence module, gather raw data about the machine's sequences, pressures, injection unit position, and other parameters during the injection molding process. These devices are digital and contain electronics to enable automatic identification when connected to the CoPilot system. When mounting the AP4.0, do not mount the device in an enclosed location, and maintain 6 inches of clearance on the top, sides, and front, and 12 inches on the bottom, to be able to make the wire connections. Mount the unit using only the supplied mounting holes, and the recommended 8 to 32 by 3/4 inch machine screws with nuts. When installing the AP4.0 unit, determine a mounting location that will be convenient for installation, use, and maintenance. Mount the device to a solid surface, away from sources of static, such as hoppers, dryers, or material feed lines. Avoid areas of vibration, humidity, contamination, or corrosion, such as water and hydraulic lines. The AP4.0 has 4 LED lights that indicate power supply. These indicator lights are for the AP4.0 as a whole, yellow; the Lynx sensor interface board, green; Lynx port 1, orange; and Lynx port 2, red. This table, located here, and in the product manual, can be used to help troubleshoot issues based on the LED lights. The schematic shown here, and in the RJG product manual, shows a common layout of the CoPilot AP4.0 unit, installed on an injection molding machine. Thank you for watching this video regarding the installation and use of the AP4.0 CoPilot Application Processor. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual, or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com, or by calling 1-800-472-0566.